Hi Perch audience, we're here for another walkthrough of our kitchenette here at the Desert Oasis Show House in Indian Wells. We're in partnership with Thermador, Brizo, and Julian kitchen sinks. Take a look. You enjoyed this sneak peek at our different partners with Thermador, Brizo, and Julian kitchen sinks. Special thanks goes to Chris Barrett, the designer of this space, as well as Design Collaborative, who helped pull this project together. If you want to learn more about these brands and how to get them in your home, go to a Perch showroom near you.